up? It's your girl Trippin'. I'm back with another video, and today I am doing a video on me cleaning my new car after 2 weeks of having it. The life of being a single mom, for real. But before I get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell like to get notified every time your girl posts, okay? I gotta turn my camera this way because the light is lit up, playing at me. Okay, so I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh yes, I'm on the road to 2,000. Thanks to all my royal subscribers being a part of the girl family. Okay. Also, don't forget to go watch my previous video of a little piece that I put in from my daughter's little party she had for her birthday. And also videos prior to that. Don't forget to like them videos. Comment, y'all. If y'all want to see me do a Q&A, y'all watching this video, leave it in the description. I mean, not the description. I do that. Leave it in the comments, y'all. And I'll do a video like ASAP. You know? The more questions I get, the better. But if don't nobody ever comment under and ask me questions, I probably just go online and just get random questions off the internet and do it like that if y'all want to see me do a Q&A. But right now I'm at the car wash waiting on these people to get done with the washing their cars, because I wash my car. I don't like going through the machine because you spend all that money and your car still be dirty. But let me show y'all these results of my vehicle right now, of being a single mom of 3, honey. 3. Okay, go to the back first. The back, you see that? It don't look that bad. I gotta vacuum all of this, all of that. Like, and then it's the front. It got the little trash or whatever. It need to be vacuumed bad or whatever. And look at my window, y'all. It's just the baddest. Like, I was driving, literally driving, and some wasted, like, literally dripped off my car. Ooh, a person left something. Ooh, what was here? All this dirt and mud. And I'm on a time crunch, so I'm gonna try to lay y'all on the little visor little part right here while I go out and wash the car, and then I'll be back and y'all can watch me vacuum the car real quick. And I gotta be somewhere real quick. It's like 9:51, and I gotta get to this person about 10, no later than 10:20. So your girl finna be moving fast. So I'm gonna let y'all see this little bit. And yeah, let me see how can I do that. Let's see. Well, I'll leave y'all like that. Let the windows up. Take these off. Okay, I hope y'all got something. Now I'm finna go vacuum my car out real quick. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna go vacuum my car out real quick. Hopefully, it ain't gotta be too good, you know. Trash out, you know. So very simple, and quick. Quick. Don't tell me the vacuum don't work. What is it? Oh, the fresher thing. Nobody worry about that. Okay. Trying to see where I can put y'all. Let's see. I think I'll put y'all right here. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna vacuum this out real quick before I can head out. Because I'm gonna say I lost my money, girl. I'm just gonna get this trash out real quick, vacuum it. Not too much. I'm always trying to go home to wipe it down like I want to. And I left my damn glass cleaner for the inside of my car at home. So therefore, I work with what I got. Okay. Yes. See how quick that was, y'all? Quick. Okay. And now I got my little let me see. Y'all, get this. It's for your room, but I use. Okay, now y'all, I am done. Let me show y'all the finished results. Remind you, I didn't have my little glass cleaner, but it look a little better from the outside. Here go my floor, the back. Yes, now this how it's supposed to look. For it. So I'm done. Now I'm off to my destination. Hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell if you like getting notified. Like I said, every time I post. Also, leave any Q&A questions y'all want to know about your girl. Ooh, fix my seat. I'm leaning all the way back. That you want to like to know about your girl. I'm gonna go out to eat. I don't know. I might add it up in here. If not, then thank you all for watching. I'm on the road to 2,000 subscribers. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Help your girl out. A single mom of 3. Like, come on now, y'all. Trying to make it work with what she got. For real. And I'm in a process of moving, but I'm trying to wait till my kids' school is out for the summer if I won't be doing that much, or at least close to out of school, you know what I mean? If I ain't gotta run back and forth because I'm moving I'm not gonna be close enough for them to still go to school. Yes. If y'all like to see more videos like this, then let me know. Also, I'm finna order some stuff to like for my decor in my car, if you want to say it like that. I guess see like the seat covers, rugs, all this, because all this stuff came with it. That's already up in here. So your girl gotta make it her own. Oh my gosh, hold on. Your girl gotta make it her own thing. So therefore, yes, Amazon. Amazon is where it's at. And February is coming up, a day away from February, and I have my daughter. My last child birthday is in February, but the good thing is it's almost at the end of February. Well, it is at the end of February, 27th. So, yes, don't forget to wish her happy birthday, y'all. I'm keep moving my camera because this sun is not cooperating. Okay. Yeah, that look better, a lot better. But yes, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all give me some video ideas, like, for real, because I be running out of things, like, taking care of 3 kids, I be running out of stuff to record. I'll be like, I could do, like, when I cook and all of that videos, but you really won't hear me talking because, you know, my kids make noise, honey. And not only that, I like to listen to music. And, you know, YouTube don't play with the music, okay? And I don't have time to be going in and out with the music. So, yes. So, give me some ideas that y'all would like to see. Y'all know spring break coming up. My birthday coming up in May. Mother's Day coming up. Ooh. Ooh, truck. You better slow down behind me. I mean, they zooming for what? I don't know. But anyways, if I do record while I'm, hold on, y'all. Because these people act like they can't drive. Come on, y'all. Yes. Ooh, this is the heat on? Hot. Okay. Yes. So therefore, that's why I wanted to tell you all. Help your girl get to 2,000 subscribers. Keep watching my videos. I would love if y'all leave like comments or something. You know, I like to interact with my subscribers. But when I hit 2,000 subscribers, your girl will be picking a lucky person out of that subscriber little catalog, and they will be getting a Amazon gift card. Everybody and their mama love Amazon, so subscribe to this channel, honey, because when I hit that 2,000, I will be giving away 2, not 1 but 2 Amazon gift cards. Yes, for y'all supporting me, and I'm gonna help y'all out a little bit, you know. Nothing too big. Also, go follow my girls. They have a YouTube channel. It's called the Simone Sisters. They have a little stuff. They're trying to start posting more stuff on there. They don't be knowing what to post, and I don't be knowing what to, like, they be wanting me to do stuff, and I'm like, it's y'all channel, so therefore if I just post whatever, like if I have something that they done did, I post it over there. So yeah, if you have children, you know, Simone Sisters, the Simone Sisters, that's the name of it. Also, I have a wish list from Amazon, from if you would like to help with my move, like certain stuff that I need for my home. What in the world is this car driving so slow for? Thank you, golly. But anyways, I hope y'all love this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell. Of course, I know I said it multiple times, but I'm trying to let y'all know. Don't forget. Thank y'all for sticking with us, sister. Sticking with me. And just stay tuned for more videos, because I'm trying to drop them. As I think of stuff, I'm trying to drop them, okay? I might do a video of me doing my grandmother's little stuff that I'm making for her birthday. Her birthday is February the 14th. Yes, Valentine's Day, February the 14th. I said I might as well make her something, because the simple fact is I don't have a Valentine. So therefore, I'm not going to be doing nothing but what I do every day is sit around with my children, okay? So therefore, stay tuned for that. Girl, when I tell y'all these Little Rock streets, they need some help, for real. They call themselves making it cute, but they ain't doing them but making it smaller. For real. But yes. But if I do add on to this little scene, I'll probably add a little short or a little scene of me eating. So stay tuned. If not, thank you for watching. Don't forget to love yourself, love your family, love the one above. Be blessed.